Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to open PDF files on a MacBook and look at some of the easiest and most useful ways to work with them. If you just want to quickly view a PDF without opening a full app, macOS already has a very fast built-in option. Open Finder and locate your PDF file. Now click the file once to select it, then press the spacebar on your keyboard. This opens Quick Look, which is one of the fastest ways to preview a PDF on a Mac. From here, you can scroll through pages, zoom in, and even use simple markup tools to highlight or add notes without fully opening another application. It's great for quickly checking documents, invoices, forms, or ebooks. Now, if you want to open the PDF using Safari, then follow these steps. Simply right-click the PDF file, move to Open With, and you'll see a list of apps installed on your Mac that support PDF files. Most MacBooks include Preview by default, which is already a very powerful PDF viewer for reading, signing documents, combining pages, or making small edits. Now, to open it in Safari, go back to the Open With menu and simply click on the Safari option. This will open your PDF file inside of Safari. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Another useful tip is that you can set a default PDF app if you always want PDFs to open with the same program. To do that, right-click any PDF file, choose Get Info, then under Open With select your preferred app and click Change All. From then on, all PDF files will open in that application automatically. And that's it. You now know several easy ways to open and manage PDF files on your MacBook. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.